front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen refresh rate. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Display section over here. Now here's a common issue. Most people can't find screen refresh rate on Samsung devices because it's under Motion Smoothness instead. So when you click here, you can access those two screen refresh rate options, Standard or Adaptive. Wherever you decided, click on the best one for you and tap on Apply to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!